by the totality, by the uncommon peculiar, by the characteristics. So various aspects a person can achieve similitude. If you are going to have a very dogmatic or a restricted way of no, this is how the similitude should be, I think it's very difficult. One person cures fever with arsenic amalgam. Another person cures that same patient with Rastox. Another person is able to cure that patient with sulfur. So, at one point, if you look at it, it will appear as if there is no similitude at all. But if you read Organon very carefully, this is Dr. Kent said, in the 12 observations, if you read that, you will understand. The symptoms do corroborate what the patient sees in many instances, but the symptoms are the physician's most satisfactory evidence. So symptoms are the physician's evidence, not the patient opinion. So what do you mean by symptom? What do you mean by patient's opinion? You have to understand it. That is what all my previous cases shows. Patient is feeling better, but it is not true. Patient is feeling worse, but it is not true. Reports are showing improvement, but it is not true. Reports are showing worse, but it is not true. So there is always a confusion, always an ambiguity, and every chance you will miss the patient, every chance you will change the prescription, every chance you will get confused. But be careful. Next. Now, we all read about false plethora in Ferromet, Calcarea, Aurum, Pulsatilla, sulfur. These are all the remedies for false plethora. So now, what exactly we mean by false plethora? Patient is blushed, looks normal, but really he should be anemic. Okay? When you look at the patient, you think patient is normal, but when you send the patient for blood test, the patient is anemic. So you think it's a false plethora. But how to understand that from the blood test? So this one patient, hemoglobin is 12.3 normal, but the ferritin level is 7.8. It means there is a low level of iron, low level of everything. See why this is important. See, for example, the girls come for PCOD or irregular periods. Now you think the girl may be anemic. That's why there is no period. So we send them for hemoglobin study. Hemoglobin shows normal. What to do now? The best thing is you look at the ferritin level. If you understand this pathology, you know when there is some financial problem in the family, what we do generally, we stop going for hotels. Little more financial problem, okay, we stop buying very costly dress. Some more problem, we stop newspaper. So we control our financial budgets. Same way the body also tries to control. In a woman, the periods is the main blood loss. Already there is no iron. But for all practical purpose, hemoglobin should be high. So what the body does, stop the periods. Simple. Amenorrhea, simple. It stops. It's trying to protect it. If you are very active, running here and there, you spend more energy. So make you dull. Getting up tired. Don't do that. If you read, too much of brain and blood is needed for the brain. So dull the brain. So no concentration. So body is trying to preserve the hemoglobin where and all possible. So that's where it happens. It gives you a false belief that hemoglobin is normal, but still patient has all the problems. Now you understand what is meant by false belief. The mere hemoglobin alone is not sufficient. We should learn to do the other parameters also. One of the parameters is serum ferritin, the other one is serum iron. But from simple PCV, MCV, MCHC, you can understand whether there is a iron deficiency or any other vitamin deficiency. That will fetch you a lot. I had a patient who had a 12,000 IgE positive. And now it is not even 2,000. And the boy now enjoys the complete happy life. And allopathic doctors are surprised to see that, because even allopaths have not seen so much worst IgE levels. Even the doctors in Apollo, they say, if homeopathy can reduce IgE levels so much, we have thousands of cases, can you treat? That is what the reaction is. So it is not simply curing, but it is showing how Dr. Gnanasambandam is taking photograph of the patient. That will give you a much more impact. It will give you a visual impact. This particular test is to attract allopathic friends. They say, see, this is the level and I have made it.